Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm Arjun and today we are going to learn how to find HCF using the listing method. Remember in the last video we found the HCF of 36 and 24 using chocolates. Today let's take new numbers 18 and 30 and find their HCF step by step. Step 1. We'll list all the factors both behind. Factors of 18. Factors of 30. Step 2. Now let's find the common factors, the numbers that are in both lists. Common factors of 18 and 30. This are common. These are common. These are common. And these are common. Now this thing. This 5 is not common. Step 3. Choose the highest one, and that's your HCF. 6 is the highest one. So the HCF of 18 and 30 is 6. This means if I have 18 pencils and 30 erasers, I can make 6 equal sets. Each set will have 3 pencils, 18 divided by 6. 5 erasers, 30 divided by 6. And nothing will be left. So friends, the listing method is simple. List all the factors, pick the common ones. The highest one is the HCF. I hope you enjoyed this sweet and simple trick. In the next video, we'll learn the faster way to find HCF, the division method. So don't forget to like, share with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Remember, math becomes easy when we learn it with fun and real life examples. Bye bye. See you next time.